Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to take your Instagram stories to the next level by showing you how to change the background color of your Instagram story. It is super easy and fun to do, so let's get started. First of all, find the Instagram app. Now open it. Now tap onto the plus sign at the profile picture. Now tap onto the camera. Now you can either take a new photo or video, or you can select an existing one from your gallery. Here is the fun part. Tap onto the three-dot line. Here you can find the option of draw. Now tap on it. Here you can find the color options. Slide it to the right and you can find many more options. Now select one color you would like. Next, keep pressing and hold for a few seconds. This will fill the background with that color just like that. You have got a solid background for your story. Now that you have got your colorful background, you can make your story even more exciting by adding text, stickers, GIFs or polls. If you want to change the color, simply do the process again. Once you are happy with how it looks, hit your story at the bottom to post it. And that's it. You have now learned how to change the background color in your Instagram story. It's a super simple way to make your content stand out and look unique. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.